Hey guys, now we are going to solve question number 25. Let's see what the question states. The density of the material in the shape of a cube is determined by measuring three sides of the cube and its mass. If the relative errors is measuring the mass and length are respectively 1.5% and 1%, the maximum error in determining the density is. So let's just start with the things. As we know, the formula is m upon v, that is m upon l cube. So as it is stated that delta p upon p into 100 is equal to delta m upon m into 100 plus 3 times delta l upon l into 100 as given in the question, the three sides. Now when we compute this, it would be 1.5 plus 3 into 1, that is simply 3 plus 1.5, which is coming out to be 4.5. And as we look closely, our maximum error in determining the density is 4.5%, that is the A option.